Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review and share with you all. It's the Innova 5410 OBD2 Scanner, a powerful tool designed to help you diagnose and troubleshoot issues with your car. If you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants to save on repair costs, this scanner might be just what you need. So, let's get started. The Innova 5410 OBD2 Scanner is a mid-range diagnostic tool that can be used to scan and clear trouble codes, retrieve live data, and reset various vehicle systems. It is compatible with most vehicles made since 1996 and supports English, Spanish, and French. Alright, let's start with the unboxing of the Innova 5410 OBD2 Scanner. As you can see, it comes in a sturdy and well-packaged box. Upon opening it, we find the scanner itself, along with a user manual and a USB cable for connecting it to a computer. The scanner looks sleek and compact, perfect for easy handling. Here are some additional features of the Innova 5410 OBD2 Scanner. First and foremost, it's an OBD2 scanner, which means it works with all OBD2 compliant vehicles manufactured from 1996 onwards. This covers a vast majority of cars on the road today. The scanner offers a variety of functions, such as reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs), checking engine light status, and accessing freeze frame data. It also provides live data streaming, which allows you to monitor real-time information from various sensors in your vehicle. Another notable feature is its compatibility with multiple protocols, including CAN, ISO, and PWM. This means you can use it with various car makes and models without any compatibility issues. One thing that really impressed us during our testing was how user-friendly the Innova 5410 OBD2 scanner is. To use it, simply plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the dashboard. Once connected, turn on the ignition, and the scanner will automatically power up. Navigating through the menu is intuitive thanks to its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a car expert, you'll find it easy to access the different functions and get the information you need. Beyond the basic functions, the Innova 5410 goes a step further with advanced diagnostics. It provides access to the Repair Solutions 2 app, available for both Android and iOS devices. With this app, you can not only get detailed explanations for the trouble codes, but also access a vast database of fixes and solutions contributed by experienced mechanics. Firmware updates are essential to ensure your scanner stays up to date with the latest vehicle models and improvements. Innova offers regular firmware updates that can be easily installed using the included USB cable and a computer. Here are some pros and cons of the Innova 5410 OBD2 Scanner. Pros: easy to use, wide vehicle coverage, comprehensive diagnostic capabilities, live data streaming, ability to reset codes and perform maintenance functions, free lifetime updates. Cons: no case included, not the most powerful OBD2 scanner on the market. Some users have reported inaccurate readings. Overall, the Innova 5410 OBD2 scanner is a good option for DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts who want a reliable and easy-to-use tool for diagnosing and troubleshooting vehicle problems. It has a wide range of features, including live data streaming, code reading and clearing, and maintenance reset functions. It is also compatible with a wide range of vehicles. If you're looking for a diagnostic tool that can help you troubleshoot problems with your car, the Innova 5410 OBD2 Scanner is a great option. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.